Hi there, and welcome to the Creating Object-oriented TypeScript Code course. My name's Dan Wahlin, and I'm a software developer, architect, and trainer specializing in web development technologies. I've had the opportunity to use TypeScript extensively over the years, and I'm really excited to share more about the language with you. The overall goal of this course is to teach you about object-oriented principles and how they can be used in your TypeScript applications. The course starts out by examining the role of objects and the different techniques that can be used to create them. You'll also be introduced to key object-oriented principles, including abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. One of the key building blocks available in object-oriented programming is classes. You'll learn about what a class is, how to define and instantiate one, and how to add instance and static members to a class. Productivity techniques such as automatic properties will also be covered along the way. From there, you'll learn about what inheritance is and the role of abstract classes. You'll see how abstract classes can be used as the foundation for other classes and how they can be used to add polymorphic behavior to objects. As the course progresses, you'll also learn about interfaces and how they can be used as code contracts to drive consistency across objects or define the shape of an object. You'll then see how to implement an interface on a class and how to use one to provide more flexibility for constructors and methods. Finally, you'll see how to put all of the concepts together so that you understand the role each object-oriented principle can play, and more importantly, understand when and when not to use them. So let's get started by talking about the specific modules covered in the course and dive into the role objects can play in TypeScript applications.